are the steps of liver transplant in Iran? The first step is that to do medical test that you are the case of liver transplant. As you might know, liver transplant is the end stage of liver problem. We need to check you. Maybe you need to chemotherapy. Maybe you can be treated with immunotherapy. Maybe you can treat it with TACE. When the doctor check you and said, okay, you are the case of liver transplant in Iran, we can start the process. And how we will start? If you accept it in our hospital, we first find a suitable donor for you. If you have suitable donor, it's much more easier for us, because finding a donor is a very complicated process for us. But if you don't have, no worries, we will find you a suitable donor with your gender, with your weight, with your height, with your nationality, and the most important thing for us, we will find a donor from your own country. If you are from a German, the donor should be German. And if you are from South Africa, the donor should be from your country again. Okay, in this step, we will try our best to find a good donor for you. It might take about 2 weeks to 1 month, depend of your nationality and your country culture and something like that. When we find a donor, we will ask some medical tests from him. He or she will do some tests that be sure that he is totally healthy. If everything goes okay, we will get you a medical visa for you and the donor, and somebody wants to come with you to Iran. Everything will be ready before you coming to Iran, and we will meet each other at airport. We will come to airport, pick up you from there, and the whole thing reserved before you come to Iran. We will go to the accommodation place that is very near to hospital, and you can cook, rest, and walk to the hospital and come back by walk. It's very near to hospital. At the first day or maybe second day of your arrival, we will go to the hospital and start the medical test before the surgery. At the meantime, we will get the approval of the government to check you and the donor nationality and do it totally legal in Iran. Medical test and getting approval of the government, it takes about 1 week. After 1 week, the surgery can be done. The donor can discharge from the hospital maximum 5 days after surgery, and there is no worries for the donor, because his liver or her liver will regenerate. After 6 months, he will have a completely healthy liver again. It's not like a kidney that he lose forever. And the patient can discharge from hospital about 2 weeks to 3 weeks normally, and after that you can come back to your country. You can follow on the internet, or you can stay more for 1 month more to check everything, and come back to your country after 2 months.